Hi guys, welcome to Stock Market Trick. This is Pacey with another video. Today I'm going to tell you about moving averages. Okay, so let's see how to use moving averages and profit in the stock market by using these averages. So let's just open a chart. We take this Vedanta equity shares. Okay, so we open this chart. It is requesting the chart and now it will open. Okay, now you see the chart of Vedanta equity shares. Okay, so I have first only applied the moving averages, but for your information I will tell you how to use them and apply on the charts. You have to go in study, choose exponential moving averages. Okay, so there is a simple moving average and there is exponential moving average. In the exponential moving average, the latest data on the chart is given more importance, so it is a weighted moving average. Okay, it reacts very faster to the price actions. Okay, so now I am going to show you, this is the period. Okay, so I am choosing 50 for it. Okay, this is my favorite one for trading and I choose the color as red. So now you can see I have applied the moving average. Okay, so now how to trade using that moving average? You can see it here. This is the data. This is the intraday chart for the last 5 days. Okay, so let's zoom this area. As you can see here in this chart, today is 21 November. Okay, this is today's chart. I already booked profit in this equity shares by doing intraday trading. And see here, this is the moving average. Okay, exponential moving average 50. Okay, so when the price, you can see it here, first I went long. Okay, here you can see this area here. Okay, this was the moving average and the price crossed above this line. Okay, so whenever the price crosses above this line, okay, you have to go long. Just simply you have to buy the shares. Okay, and you can also use Heiken-Ashi candlesticks. Okay, to get the accurate information. As you can see here, after I uses Heiken-Ashi, it is all clear up here. Okay, and if I use the candlestick chart, it's just simply confusing a little bit. Okay, but after using Heiken-Ashi chart, it is very clear to us. So after you have gone long here, okay, you can see after crossing this line, you can go long as there is green signal. Okay, that is the charts are going up, and when the price comes down, you can exit here. Okay, so I put here buy. Okay, and sell. So whenever you get this signal, okay, get a price about this EMA line, okay, you have to go long. Okay, and whenever the candlestick turns red, you have to exit the trade. Okay, or just sell. You can okay, and see it here, this was a long trade I did. Okay, from here to here, I tell you how much points profit I made. So I just insert here a horizontal line. You can see I went long at 203.84, and here I sold at 207. Okay, so the profit was about 207 minus 203, that is 4 points profit. If you had gone long 100 shares, okay, your profit is 400 rupees. Okay, 4 into 100 shares, 400 rupees profit. Okay, so now we see here, as here also there was a signal, okay, as it went down here, okay, but it still went up here, okay, but as the supply and demand point of view, okay, there were many sellers today than the buyers. Okay, as there were many sellers, okay, the price will come down, okay, obviously, okay, because as the demand increases the price will increase, and if the supply increases the price will decrease. Okay, so here I shorted it, okay, and I bought back the shares here at this point. Okay, you can see I shorted at 205 and bought the shares back at 193. Now see how much points profit I made. 205 minus 193, that is 12 points profit. If you had gone short of 12 points, okay, so you are making profit of about 1200 rupees. Okay, this is your profit. And there are combination of moving averages, everyone uses it. Okay, there is the famous Donchain 520 EMA. Okay, there is the golden crossover of 500 and 200 moving average. Okay, when crossovers happen you buy the stock. Okay, for example, I show you here. I take this exponential moving average 200. Okay, so you can see it is here it is not crossing. Okay, because the 50 moving average, okay, it is less compared to the 200 moving average. So when the moving average, okay, the input you put is small, okay, there is a quick price movement, and when the moving average is big like 200 or 100, the price movement is very slow. So as you learned this strategy of moving averages, use it and make profits. Thank you for watching, and next time I will put a video about Donchain channel. Okay, so goodbye.